To get your chat to show up transparent on your screen, what you want to do is you want to go to Google. When you go to Google, you want to type in Streamlabs. After you type in Streamlabs, you want to hit the streamlabs.com. Go ahead and click that, and then you want to go ahead and get to your dashboard. You may have to sign in. Make sure you sign in, do all that good stuff, and then you want to go here to chat box. Once you go to chat box, you want to go ahead and copy. But before you copy, you can make sure your theme, whatever theme you want, you can have things show up in boxes if you want to show up like that, in the Twitch way where they show up like that. Chunky, you know what I'm saying? Old school. It's a lot of things you want to do, but I always like mine is clean. Look at all my other settings if you want to copy those. And after you do that, you go ahead and copy this. Now, once you copy it, let me drag myself over here. So I drag myself over here. Now, what you want to do is you want to add a source. That source got to be a browser source, and it's going to be what you just copied. So I'm going to say chat for video. Name whatever you want to name it. Boom. And then you paste that link right here. My link being shown. I'm going to have to edit that out. Boom. So now I done pasted that link. So I'm going to go to my Twitch, type yap, video, complete, like, and subscribe, man. Go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, man. We on the road to 20K. I appreciate everybody for rocking and rolling. It's going to show up like this everywhere. It always be in your browser source. It's just that simple, man. Editing this video, in case you're wondering, this goes for Twitch and YouTube. It's just no way to test YouTube without doing like a test stream, because you can't really get your chat beforehand. If you're wondering how you get to your chat when you're not live for Twitch, you basically want to go to your Twitch and then you want to click this chat button right here, and it's going to pop up on the right side, and you'll be able to type here and see everything as it shows up there. One last thing, man, while I'm putting this video up, this is not for you to see your chat on your screen, bro. This is for your chat to see the chat. So to pop up on the stream how all your favorite just chatting streamers do, bro. If you want to look at your chat, then you need to go out and invest in another monitor and pop out your chat so you can see that. Or just look at your chat on your phone or a tablet until you get enough money to get yourself another monitor. If you're not going to be doing that, or you streaming from your console and things, then you, my friend, are just going to have to use your phone for the time being. I just had to throw that in there, bro. It's too many comments on that other video saying, but I can't see my chat on my screen. That's not what this is for. You have to go out and get another monitor. And when you do that, remember when I said about going to your Twitch and showing chat? It's the exact same thing on YouTube. You go to settings, you click pop out chat. It gives you your chat, and this will be your chat. What I do is I have multiple monitors. I have 3. I have one of my monitors. One of my monitors are vertical and the other 2 are horizontal. I stack my pop out chats there and I read them from there. That's basically what you're gonna have to do. Like I said, you can do this exact same thing on YouTube. Just click the settings. There's a thing called pop out chat. Click it, you got that chat. Simple as that. No, this is not gonna let you see it on your screen. Just had to throw that in there. And if you guys want more tips and tricks and things like this, if you're a content creator, like my thumbnails, things like that, man, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon or just join my Patreon. I drop more and more content relating to these things over there every single Wednesday. So make sure you guys check that out.